Brian here with HelpSellMyRV.com out of Louisville, Kentucky, where all RVs are for sale by owner. I'm going to do a walk around on this 2017 Keystone Cougar 21RBS X-Lite travel trailer with the slide out. Go ahead and get started on the inside and then finish up by showing you the outside. Overall exterior length is 25 feet 9 inches, and exterior height to the full walk-on steel truss roof system with the large 15,000 BTU AC unit is 11 feet 4 inches. And the unloaded vehicle weight when it came off the assembly line is exactly 5,280 pounds. Give you an idea of the floor plan here before I get started. This is a one-owner travel trailer. The only reason why the owners are selling this trailer is because they are done with the RV lifestyle. Alright, let's go ahead and start in the slide out. Slide out's going to be about 7 feet wide and about 3.5 foot deep. Accommodates the upgraded freestanding table and chairs. Standard was the boot dinette. The owners have done some significant upgrades. You do have night shades all throughout, kind of show off those window treatments. The owners do have like a little sun visor screen for that window right there, and they have little suction cups on them, and anyway, blocks the sun. The owners have done a lot of little things. See, little remote control holder there off to the side, and you do have power strips all over. If you don't want these power strips, they're easily taken down. And let's start up in the bedroom area, and then I'll work our way back. You have the king bed. King bed does lift up. The mattress is showing a little bit of wear and tear. Closets on each side of the bed, and there's your Cougar badge there up there. You do have it's a vaulted ceiling, and again your roof is actually a steel truss roof system, which is basically the strongest roof you'll find on a travel trailer. You do have power outlets, 110 outlets on each side of the bed, and you also have a little USB charging port off to the right there next to that 110 outlet for charging smart devices. And you also have a laundry chute right here. Go ahead and show that off to you. Cougar's been doing that for a long time. There's your TV. Maybe a 32-inch flat screen. And your stereo is going to be Bluetooth ready. CD, DVD, all the good stuff. And in your kitchen area, show off some of the cabinets there. Another power strip source right there. Not sure what they're calling the cabinet drawer fronts, the colors of the cabinets, but you do have full-length metal ball bearing drawer guides. Corian solid surface countertops, Corian style, not the Formica top or the laminate top that you usually find on a super lightweight. Undermounted stainless steel sink and faucet, residential style faucet. And to the right of that is your stainless steel finish oven. 3-burner gas cooktop. Front burner is usually a high output. Nice little cover that the owners opted. This is going to be one of the major upgrades the owners did inside the coach. This is a convection oven. Pretty much the only Cougar X-Lite 21RBS on the market that actually has a convection oven, and it's by Dometic, and it was professionally installed. Usually you're going to find a microwave. And I'll point out your hardware on the cabinets are all going to be like a brushed nickel. Lots of counter space. Again, Corian style solid surface countertops, and again lots of storage. Your floor is going to be that residential grade vinyl flooring, kind of a wood plank look. This is going to be the large 8 cubic foot refrigerator by Dometic. It's gas and electric. Flip the switch on up here, and a couple hours later you are ready to go with a cold fridge. Usually on a super light trailer they'll give you a 6 cubic foot, but this is the large one. Keystone definitely went large. Okay, and I believe this is going to be an upgraded digital thermostat that the owners actually did themselves. Again, lots of upgrades, and it's going to be your factory thermostat. It's going to be your control panel. Tells you where you are in your holding tanks. your battery, your freshwater tank, which is a 43-gallon freshwater tank, and your black and gray tank. Your black is your toilet and your gray is your sink and shower. Both each of those tanks are going to be 30-gallon, and to the bottom, starting from the left, is your water pump, and then the two buttons to the right of that is your buttons for your 6-gallon gas electric direct spark ignition water heater. Whether you're boondocking or hooked up to shore power, you've got hot water within 10 to 15 minutes. The owners have this loaded down. If they don't sell it in the next couple of weeks, they are going to, they're going on a trip, but it's loaded down, but huge closet space. And again, you have closets up on each side of the bed too. Another upgrade is the owner put in a little door there, right there, and you can open up that little door, and that's accessed, I believe, to the water bypass or the water heater. One or the other. But definitely neat. Keystone needs to copy off the owner and do that with all their campers. Okay, this is the rear bathroom floor plan. Foot flush toilet. China toilet, by the way. Or residential toilet. And you do have nice vanity area with a medicine cabinet, not just a mirror. Glass enclosed stand-up shower with skylight. Usually on the super lights they'll give you just a curtain. This is glass enclosed. And you are also ducted in the bathroom for AC. Some manufacturers will actually not put ducting in the bathroom. And the AC is going to be a 15,000 BTU AC unit. It's the large one with quick dump. Open up the louvers there. Once the camper cools off enough, close off the louvers, and you have ducted AC all throughout. Make sure all the lights are working. All your lights inside and out are LED. The owner did upgrade the exterior lights to LED. And I do also want to point out, before we go outside, the owner put an energy management system in this camper. Little energy management system right there. Tells you where you are on your amps, so you're not tripping breakers. This is going to be your other control panel here. This is going to be your switch for your button for your power awning. This is going to be your button for your slide room. And these are going to be porch lights. Let's turn those on. Step light. Let's turn that on. The owner upgraded the step light that I'll show you outside. And oh, on the screen door. I'll show you that too. The owner's actually, this is about $100 feature. The owner put this little window screen in, and a little blind here closes off for privacy. So that's definitely neat. Another thing that Keystone Cougar needs to copy off the owner on. This is the Keystone Cougar X-Lite with the Polar package, fully enclosed, heated underbelly, and all your gate valves are all enclosed and heated. Show off the underbelly there. These are going to be your upgraded stabilizer jacks. These are the manual ones. These are the ones you want. They're heavier duty, and there's actually a stabilizer bar. It's a good couple $100 feature, almost $300 stabilizer bar system. Keeps this trailer from rocking. That is an upgrade the owners did. Back up here, kind of show it off what it looks like from the rear front. The patio area. You're going to have a 16-foot power awning. There's your LED light strip, which was also upgraded. The owners upgraded to kind of an amber color. And you do have the exterior speakers, so you have the exterior entertainment package on this coach. Tinted windows, believe 80% tint on the windows. And I do want to point out, your awning is fully adjusting. I've got this awning arm adjusted down so we could get it out enough to not to hit the house, but show off that Keystone Cougar badge. All your decals are in excellent condition. It's going to look like a full body paint coach, almost like that HD Max finish where basically the color of the fiberglass is bled all the way through. I did check this camper for delamination, didn't find any issues. It's going to be your 15-inch aluminum alloy wheels with easy lubed extra axles, and the owners did upgrade the suspension significantly. If you want to call the number on the ad and ask more about the suspension, he can tell you everything that he did to it. Another feature that the owner upgraded on was the exterior lights. A little rope lighting up underneath there, kind of accent your camper at night. And the big upgrade that I love is the upgraded aluminum steps, heavy-duty aluminum steps here. Standard was just the trifold step, but this is definitely an upgraded step that the owner actually had installed. We're kind of in a tight spot around the back side. I'll try my best to show off the coach as much as possible. You do have the beautiful front-molded, painted, gel-coated fiberglass cap with LED light accent. Beautiful front cap, by the way, very aerodynamic. You do have the large 30-pound LP tank. Standard was 20-pound, and the owners upgraded the tanks. You do have the power hitch jack. The Blue Ox tow hitch, the owners said they paid, I'm guessing around $600 for. They are including it with the camper. So you have a sway control, weight distribution, Blue Ox tow system with this camper. And here's your LED lights to accent your front or light it up when you're hitching up. Nice baggage doors with magnets. You don't have the clips anymore. Pass-through storage all the way. There's the little switches there. There's your battery disconnect, the red button. Cuts off your battery so you can, when you're throwing it away, you don't have to worry about draining your battery. And to the right of that is your light switch for the front cap. I'm going to turn that off. And there is your aluminum framing. This is pretty much a full aluminum frame construction with the exception of the roof, which is a steel truss roof system. This thing's built like a tank. It's going to be your docking station here. Hook up your hose here, your water connection here, and then you flip the switches whether you want to hook up to city or you want to fill up your holding tank. You've got that option all right here. This is going to be your, I believe, your black tank sewer flush. Cleans out your toilet, and obviously this is going to be your hot and cold running water with a spray out spigot, and also your cable and satellite hookups just below that. Show off that enclosed heated underbelly. See if I can show off the back side here. I did check around the slide outs for stress cracks, did not find any issues. And usually little hairline cracks that happen up in the top corners or in the bottoms, but usually you'll find them on fifth wheels. But I do check for delamination, which is the bubbling on the outside, stress cracks. Look for condition on decals. Decals are pretty much showroom condition. I do also want to point out this has the awning package, so you have to slide out over your awning. This is another huge upgrade the owners did. It's about a $500 aluminum box on the rear. He's got it mounted to the bumper, which is definitely nice. And you can take it off if you don't want it. Show off that back there. It's going to be your 30 amp power cord here, and it's a marine style. You can unplug it and roll it up and stow it away. This is going to be where you dump. Hook up your sewer hose and dump. Furnace on this coach is going to be a 30,000 BTU furnace. More than enough. You can go into extended season with this camper and not worry about your holding tanks freezing or your gate valves. Your gate valves are all enclosed up into the underbelly. Do want to back up a little bit. One thing I forgot on the roof, up at the top, right in front of the large AC unit, you have a Max Air vent cover, which is right there. Max Air vent cover, so you can leave your vents open in weather, rain, and not worry about water coming in. Kind of show off that back here. This is going to be your crowned roof, better for water runoff. And those enclosed gate valves I was talking about are your dump valves. See, they're all up into the underbelly. Right there and right there to the right and left of the dumping area. But anyway, definitely nice setup on this Cougar X-Lite. I think I got everything. If I didn't, I do apologize, and I apologize to the owner if I didn't get all his upgrades, but he's done a lot to it. Anyway, if you want to come and see the camper, just call the number on the ad. You deal directly with the owner. You always deal directly with the owner. If you like this video, I'd appreciate it if you give it a thumbs up on YouTube. And if you want to keep up to date on RVs coming for sale by owner in the Louisville, Kentucky area, you can always follow HelpSellMyRV.com on Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest, and YouTube.